Saving money on your electric bill starts with being mindful of your energy usage. One of the most effective ways to reduce consumption is by turning off lights and appliances when they're not in use. So many people forget to switch off lights in empty rooms or leave devices plugged in, using energy unnecessarily. Get some LED lights. Unplugging electronics when not in use or using power strips to easily turn off multiple devices can help lower your overall usage. Another simple strategy is to optimize your heating and cooling systems, setting your thermostat a few degrees lower in winter or higher in the summer, and it can reduce the amount of energy required to maintain a comfortable temperature. Additionally, sealing gaps around windows and doors prevent drafts and help maintain a consistent temperature inside, reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems. All right? Using energy efficient appliances is another key way to save. Look for appliances with an energy rating which consume less electricity while providing the same level of performance. Replacing old light bulbs with energy efficient LED bulbs can also make a significant difference in your electricity bill over time. Believe me. Lastly, consider using natural light during the day and running major appliances like dishwashers or washing machines during off-peak hours to avoid higher energy rates. So by being more mindful of your energy consumption, you can effectively lower your electric bill. Let me know if this helped.